Hey guys, how are we doing today? In today's video, we want to torture a cube which I named him Tommy by teaching it to keep a ball on its head. This is a simple example from ML-Agents Toolkit, and yeah, I know, you may ask
why you would do this? Why anyone would do this?
basically because we can and it's easy to use, so let's get into it. First, let's get you an overview of what's going on. What we need is some experience with AI and Unity. The tool that we are going to use is named Unity ML-Agents Toolkit, which in my next video I'm going to dive deeper and show you how we can use PPO, which stands for Proximal Policy Optimization Algorithm. By the way, it has a cool name, right? The best place to start is GitHub. Well, yeah, here it comes the hardcore stuff. ML-Agents Toolkit gives us a Python simulation environment for training intelligent agents. Basically, we can train agents using reinforcement learning, imitation learning, neural evolution, or any other methods. In reinforcement learning, the neural network optimizes the policy by maximizing the expected rewards. Let me know if you need more information about these algorithms. It's enough of the fancy terms. I put the link to it if you are interested to learn more about it. By the way, shout out to the guys that created this amazing toolkit. Now let's get into the project. First, download the proper version of this toolkit. Be careful not to download the whole branch. I downloaded the release 12, extract it, and you're ready to go. Wait.
You shall not pass!
Machine learning is not so hard, guys. You can learn it really easily, and there is so many tools for that, so don't worry about it. Now Unity comes into play. We create a new 3D project and add the packages in the package manager. You should hit the advanced button to open the preview version of the toolkit and install the ML-Agents Toolkit. If you get any errors, it's better to do this from the disk, so I'm gonna do this from my computer, and here is how. Add the agents JSON file and also agents extension JSON file to the package manager, and that's it. Before I get into the next part, let me know if you had any experience with this toolkit. Also, as you see, I'm using my voice from now on because I want to interact with you guys. So let's connect on LinkedIn because I'm sharing most of my content in there. The link is in the description box. Now we are ready to go to next step. And here is what we are gonna do. Drag and drop. We are gonna drag and drop the assets from the ML-Agents folder, open one of the examples, and go to a scenes folder and run any of the projects. I'm gonna do this for the 3D ball, and there we go. Now hit run. Voila! You can see Tommy is doing well. Next step is to see how we can train the agents ourselves. And big news, guys, it's really simple. Let's go back to our project. We are gonna train the agent to do some stuff for us. For that, we are gonna use Anaconda. The two main scripts that are responsible for the action are these two. So I'll open the Anaconda prompt and go to the folder of the project for building a Python environment. Get ready, guys.
You will suffer.
In here we are going to type conda create-n for name and then Python 3.7. Then we are going to write conda activate the name that we entered. There we go, now we have a Python environment. For reloading we can use conda env list. Bear with me, guys, it's gonna end soon. We are gonna write pip install ML-Agents and then type ML-Agents-learn. And now add the config file path to it. It is in the folder that we extracted, you remember? And then we are gonna write -run-id and enter any name that we want. I'm gonna write 3D ball underline 01. Now we are going to hit play in the Unity. There we go. Now we know the secret of machine learning. We can see a collection of epic fails of Tommy's attempts. Now our model is ready and we can use it. For that, go to models folder that you entered in Anaconda prompt. We need .nn file. Go back to Unity, drag and drop it in the models folder. Open agents prefab. In model section, drag and drop the model that we built. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. We'll see you soon. Peace.